Sir, you told this is the first chapter, first lesson you told, sir. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, I was there. Just
Sir,
hang on.
notifications.
Sulisha, please. What happened today? All are coming in the different backgrounds.
Sir, I couldn't put the edit.
No, sir.
Okay. I asked you. I have given some homework for you, right? Examples for the study, hand pick.
So when?
Last class, I told you to take some examples.
Sir, actually, I think I was absent.
Sir, I think I have some of it, sir, because I had English exam, sir. Like yesterday, day before yesterday, I was studying for English exam, sir.
Oh,
But I have some
Sir,
examples.
actually, sir, I'm just saying, sir, I can't do the upcoming homework also, sir, because in 4 days my exam starts and I opted for going to school, so I have to go to school and write.
Sir, tomorrow and day after tomorrow are my last exams, sir.
okay, okay. But what about the homework? Just tell me the homework.
Sir, I have only some examples because I didn't prepare.
What about
I
that?
had to.
What about that?
Sir,
What about the homework? Did you finish the homework or not?
no, sir. Sir, I actually don't remember you giving. Sir, I don't remember you giving homework.
Hmm?
Sir,
He
actually,
said
sir. No, sir. Sir, actually, I just remembered, sir. Day before yesterday, there was a class, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, sir, there is heavy raining over here, and sir, there was no internet in the house. So, sir, my mother had to connect it through hotspot. So, sir, the hotspot stopped working, uh, and then, sir, I couldn't rejoin again.
Okay.
So I didn't hear your. I was not in the call.
But when you will complete the homework then?
Sir, what was the homework? I'll complete it today.
sir,
Homework
can I
is
can tell
examples for the winnowing process, threshing process,
for
homogeneous
hand pick.
mixture, yeah, hand picking, homogeneous mixture,
Sir, is absent.
and heterogeneous mixture. These
Okay,
and
sir.
all homework is pending, is there, right?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have homogeneous and heterogeneous and sieving and winnowing, sir. For threshing, I have only one example. For winnowing, for sieving, I have examples.
Threshing, you have one example, and winnowing and sieving, you have one example.
Yes, sir. Except for threshing, I have all examples, sir. Threshing, I have only one example.
Okay, okay. So today we'll start with the sieving finish, sedimentation and decantation. Okay. So what is the sedimentation and decantation process?
Sedimentation is the process of
Sir, the process of heavy sediment sinking at the bottom of a liquid.
the
Okay.
process of
Sedimentation means, suppose if any heavy solid particles are there in the liquid, they will settle down after some time, right? So it is based upon the density of the two substances. One will be the solid, the other one will be the liquid. So the heavy density particles
sir.
or the heavier
Sir,
particles,
can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
So the heavier particles settle at the bottom of the beaker and the lighter particles will go to the top, right? Suppose you are mixing the sand with the water. Initially, the sand will mix thoroughly with the water. But if you keep the glass for ideal for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, what will happen? The complete sand will settle at the bottom of the glass and the pure water will be there at the top of the glass. So this is called as a sedimentation process, separating the mixture of sand and water by allowing them to settle for some time is called as in sedimentation. Decantation means what? Taking the another.
Decantation is
Sir,
pouring
decantation is
the
the process
supernatant
of
in.
removing the pure water without disturbing the
Without disturbing.
the solid
process
particles
of
that are
separating
settled at the
supernatant
bottom.
and sediments by pouring supernatant into another beaker or container without disturbing the sediment.
Very good. Decantation means what? Separating of the pure water into the another beaker without disturbing the sediments.
Yes, sir.
Simple definition is called as decantation. Okay. Now we'll go to the point to point. The process of separating insoluble
Soluble
solids.
solids suspended in a liquid by allowing them to settle down.
The process of separating the insoluble solids are suspended in a liquid by allowing them to settle down in a beaker is called as sedimentation. Then what is the meaning of sediments? Which are the particles are settling at the bottom of the beaker, that is called as sediments. Which are the particles settling at the bottom of the beaker, that is called as sediments. Okay. Then what is the meaning of supernant?
Sir, the liquid above the sediments.
The liquid above the sediments is called as supernant. We'll separate the supernant from the sediment by using the decantation.
Decantation. Sir, are you speaking?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
The liquid above the sediments is called as supernant. So if you are taking out the supernant into the another beaker without disturbing the sediments is called as decantation. Then tell me the common examples where you use the sedimentation and decantation one by one.
Sir, in rice, sir,
Sir, if there is rice and water, sir, we use decantation to remove the water.
Sir, can I speak? Sir, when water and rice is there, sir, to the unpure or the unwanted substance come above the water, sir, then we do decantation.
Can you repeat again?
Sir, when to clean rice, sir, the water is rice and water.
Ashwath, your mic is mute.
Sir, when in case of water and rice, sir, the unwanted substance comes up of the supernatant, then the water is decanted, sir, without disturbing the rice.
Okay, next Sudisha. Give me one example for sedimentation and decantation, your own example.
Sir, sand mixed in water.
Okay. What is the sand and what is the water in this? Turn on your cam, everyone. Sri Harsha. Daksh,
1 minute.
Sudisha.
Sir, the sediment is the sand and the supernatant is the water.
Supernatant.
Can you repeat again, Sudisha?
Sir, the sediment is the sand and supernatant is the water.
Sediment is the sand, supernatant is the water. Okay. Next, Daksh.
Sir,
What is example for the sedimentation and decantation?
sir, I already told you about decantation, right, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, I told the rice and water, sir.
Yes, I told that before you.
Okay, can you give one more example? Any other example? Next, Drona and Sriharsh also has to give one example.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting, sir. You can move on. I'll think and I'll
Just
say in the
finish
last.
it off. We'll ask the remaining two people. Drona,
Yes, sir. I also actually, in the first, when you asked the question, I also got in my mind it was rice, sir. Rice in water. So I'll also think about it, sir. Actually,
okay. Sriharsha,
I even looked around, sir, and I didn't found much about it, sir. It
okay. What about Sriharsha? Remaining, everyone turn on your cam first. Sriharsha,
Sir, can you tell?
yeah.
Sir, in a sea or ocean, the plant, not plant, sir. I'm not getting. One thing will be there, sir. I'll think.
We'll think and we'll say. Okay. So clear, right? What is the sedimentation and decantation, or any doubts in this?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Sir, I got for the decantation.
Yeah.
Sir, muddy water and in
Muddy
water.
water. Good. So if you keep the muddy water ideal for some time, whatever the sand particles or soil particles are there, it will settle at the bottom of the beaker.
Yes, sir.
So that is called as sediments, and the pure water will be separated out. That is called as an, what is the name? Supernatant,
Yes, sir.
right? So if you are separating the supernatant, that is a pure water, without disturbing the mud, that is called as a decantation process.
Sir,
Okay.
then filtration.
Filtration will study one by one.
Yes, sir. Filtration is the process of separating sand from sand and water mixture by passing it through the filter paper.
Yeah. Edarth, good evening. Join late. Okay. So next one is the filtration. The process by which two substances, a insoluble solid and the liquid, are separated
sir.
by passing
Yes.
through the wait. The process by which two substances, in the two substances, one should be the liquid, the other should be the insoluble solid, are separated by passing through the filter paper. Is called as an, or you can say as a
Filter
filtering
paper, sir.
device.
Or
Present filtration. Okay. But one thing should be the liquid, the other thing should be the solid. Then only you can do the filtration process. If you have the two solids, which method will you use?
sir,
If you have only two solids are there, which method will you use then?
sir, hand picking.
Hand picking.
sir
Two
can
solids.
sir
Hand
can you
picking only,
repeat the
right, sir?
question once again, sir?
Suppose you have the mixture having the two solid components only. Then which method will you use to separate them?
Sieving, sir. Sieving. It's sieving.
Will you use the sieving method,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
After you're speaking, just you mute yourself, Mike. Okay, there is some disturbance are there. So whenever the two solid components are there in the mixture, we can separate the two solid components by using sieving. But whenever the liquid and the solid component is there, you can separate by using the filter paper, that is a filtration. Okay, then tell me the examples for filtration.
Sir, sand and water.
Sand and water. Okay, next. अरे यार वाईफाई गया था क्या? Hello.
Sir, are you there?
Sir, you stop sharing your.
Hello.
Sir, you
Okay,
stop
so
sharing.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you stopped sharing your screen.
Hmm?
Sir, you stopped sharing your screen, sir.
Can you hear us?
Hmm?
Can you hear us, sir?
Yeah,
Sir, can you hear us?
I can hear you, but can you hear my voice?
Excuse
Yes,
me,
sir.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in filtration, can sir, like in the last time, sir, also
Hello.
Hello, sir.
hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I think sir can't join. Sir can't hear us.
Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Can you hear us now?
Sir,
Hello,
Yeah,
we can hear you, sir, but you can't hear us.
I can
hello,
hear
sir.
you.
Sir,
There is always some background noise are coming from your devices. So when you are not speaking, please mute yourself so that it will went fine. I only muted all participants. Okay, I will unmute, no problem. But if other person is not speaking up, please mute your mics. Whenever you want to speak, only you can unmute yourself and you can speak, and you can again mute yourself. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Drona.
Can I repeat my question, sir? Actually,
I said examples for the filtration.
yes, sir. But we take out like in the last class you showed us a video that they removed pebbles, sir, from sand by a filter type of net, sir. Does that also count as filtration, sir?
We'll remove the sand.
No. Sir, when both are solid, it is sieving, and one is in liquid. Yes, filtration.
See, if two components in the mixture is solid now, you cannot use the filtration method. One component should be liquid, which has to pass through the filter paper. The other component has to be solid, which has to stay above the filter paper. Suppose if you have to separate the tea from the tea leaves. Okay,
Yes, sir. And
you can separate the tea leaves from the tea, right? Using the filter strainer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in the water, tea and water. Can we separate the tea and water by using the filter paper?
no, sir.
tea
No,
and water.
because
No, sir.
both
Is
are liquid components only. We cannot separate the two liquid components
Sir,
by
then how should we separate two liquid components, sir?
you use the distillation technique or other methods. Evaporation we can use.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you
Sir,
that one. Okay?
evaporation will be only for for a sol for a
Salt water.
solution.
Salt water or the sugar solution will use that one. Okay, I'll tell you that one. Okay. Understand, right? If you want to do the filtration technique now, one should be the solid component, the other should be the liquid component. Boys, will you already mute yourself?
Ashwat mute.
Sir, it's from Ashwath.
Ashwath. Yeah, yours friend only it is coming disturbance. What about Sri Harsha? You can speak
Sir,
something.
Sri Harsha is not even responding in classes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even in
in
math class.
yes, ma'am. It's yes, sir.
Vedic maths.
Even
Okay, no
Vedic
problem.
maths and
Yes.
Okay,
and
okay,
math lessons.
okay. Siddharth, any example for filtration?
So filtrations are tea, separating tea leaves from.
That what I said, right? You can give other examples.
So removing the pebbles from mud,
And,
like
You cannot
rocks.
do separate the two solid components, right?
sir, sand and water.
Yes, sir. Sand and water.
Okay, good. Daksh, what about the example for sediment filtration?
Sir, I have a doubt,
Filtration
sir.
is, sir,
Yeah, Daksh, you can speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, filtration will be like, sir, we can do it like small stones,
Do it by small stones.
sir, from what?
So I want the example for filtration. Tell me one common example, anything.
Sir, can I have a doubt, sir.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, I will give chance to each and everyone.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, that I will come to you. Okay, 1 minute. Daksh,
Sir.
yeah, any example
Sir, tea from tea leaves?
regarding the filtration example?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I can't
Sir.
hear you properly.
Sir.
Can you tell one more time?
Sir, tea leaves from.
Sir already told that.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, that what's your doubt?
Sir, like some people go fishing, right, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, then they use like a net method to get the fish out, right, sir?
Mm.
Like they'll throw the net and they'll get it. Sir, so separating fish from that water will is called filtration.
Okay, we can take one other example. Okay, no problem.
Sir, is
Separating
that
the
an example?
yeah as a
Sir, but the
consider.
small fish will escape from the net, right, sir?
Okay, we can take as an
Sir, but
example.
big fishes they'll take like that only, right, sir?
Okay, okay. Separating of the fishes from the water is a filtration.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, Sudesha.
I thought of an example.
Sorry.
Sir, I thought of an example.
Okay. What is example?
Sir, any powder kind?
Any powder?
Sir, powder plus water.
Okay. What powder?
Sir,
Sir, sir, rice powder.
No, no, no.
Sir, rice powder doesn't exist. That's what, sir. What is rice powder?
Rice
Yes,
powder
sir.
means she is selling rice flour. When you mix the flour with the water, it will form the dough, right? It will
Sir,
not
wheat flour.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
it will not form by filtration.
Sir, that's not filtration, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, we can tell powder. In
Okay,
a
okay. It's
sense,
enough. Examples you can
tea
see
powder.
here.
Sir, do tea
Separate.
bags use
Sir,
filtration?
sir, coffee powder from water.
Sorry.
Sir, some
Sir,
in
coffee
juice.
powder from water.
Sir, in juice there is some kind of what do you call, sir? Some
Pulp.
pulp, sir.
Okay, okay.
Very
So listen here carefully.
Separating
Enough.
pulp from that, he made.
Yeah, separating the bulb from that. So filtration means what? Separating the insoluble components from the liquid is called as filtration by passing through the filtering device. Filtering device can be anything. It can be cloth, or it can be filter paper, or it can be filtration strainer to separate the tea leaves, or it can be any other device. Okay. So common examples which you'll do in our home is preparing tea and separating of the tea leaves from the tea. The next one, separating of the pulp from the fresh juice. That is also common example for the filtration. So you know already these things. During the filtration, the liquid will pass through the filter paper. Whatever the insoluble solid components are there, they will settle at the top of the filter paper. Okay, that is all about the filtration. Still, you have to write the 5 examples for filtration, common examples. Okay. Yeah, Dara, unmute yourself and speak.
Sir, nothing, sir. You just muted us, sir. Either.
Because all are speaking at the same time, what I can do tell?
Oh, okay, sir.
If you
I
all
didn't
speak at
take
the
it.
same time now, this is disturbance for you as well as disturbance for me also. Nobody will understand anything.
Sir, we will not
come
understand
right
what
back.
we.
Sir, we are not understanding what we are only saying.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, now it's clear, right? What is the filtration?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one is the evaporation.
Are you calling me?
No.
Okay, sir.
The next one is the evaporation. What is the meaning of evaporation? The
Sir,
process of
evaporation
converting
is like, sir, the heat will evaporate the water.
the heat will evaporate the water.
Uh,
We'll give some heat energy to convert the liquid into the vapor
Now
state.
we
Water
can,
vapor.
Sir, if you like boil water, if you put it in like a certain temperature, it will start evaporating. Sir.
Yeah, good.
Will become of water vapor.
Sir, under the lid, there will be like small water droplets. Sir.
If you put a plate over
That is a
it,
condensation, right?
that's
You're
condensed.
boiling the water and the liquid will convert into the vapor. That is called as an evaporation. But under the lid, there is some water
That's-
droplets will happen. That is due
Sir,
to the condensation.
condensation.
Okay. Now, what is the meaning of evaporation? The process in which liquid will change into the gas. See, again, some background noise is coming.
Sir, Sudisha.
sir, actually, there's no noise here. I'm alone.
Okay, no problem. I'll mute all the people. That's better then. So, evaporation means what? The process in which liquid will change into the gaseous state. That is called as an evaporation. Okay. So, during the evaporation, what will happen? All the liquid particles will enter into the gaseous state. And we will use the evaporation also technique to separate the salt from the sea water. When you're heating the sea water, what will happen? The water will separated out from the salt, right? The most of the salt, common salt which you're eating right now, you're getting through the technique called as an evaporation only. Evaporation of the sea water. So you can see the picture also here. This sea water has salt dissolved in it. Then we'll make the nearby say small ponds to settle the sea water. So during the afternoon time, what will happen? The water will evaporate from that ponds and only salt will be left at the last. Understanding? So it is one of the most common method to obtain the salt from the sea water. But very important thing is evaporation meaning what? Conversion from liquid to the gaseous state. And what is the difference between the evaporation and the boiling? What is the difference between the evaporation and boiling? Anyone?
sir, boiling.
Sir, boiling is where, sir, it becomes, sir, sir, boiling is like when you're heating the water, and evaporating is like when you boil the water and then the water becomes water vapor.
Boiling means when you're heating the water will change into the liquid to gaseous state.
Okay, sir.
But evaporation, boiling can happen only with the supplying of heat. When you're heating itself, boiling will take place. But evaporation,
It will form natural.
it is a natural phenomenon, right? Without heating also evaporation will take place.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Understanding?
but if we put it on down at high flame, won't it evaporate?
It is called as in boiling, putting on the high flame. That is called as boiling. Evaporation means that is happening naturally with the help of
Sir,
the
but that water
sun heat.
content which has been evaporated, that is also called as humidity at the air, no, sir?
Humidity is different. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After the evaporation, the liquid water will enter into the air as a water vapor only. During the evaporation process, whatever the liquid water is there, it will convert into the gaseous water vapor. Those gaseous water vapor will be there in the, what is it, Sudisha? Doing evaporation process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So evaporation and boiling, that is your homework for tomorrow's. What is the difference between the evaporation and boiling? Write down. Find out the difference between the evaporation and the boiling. Okay. Then condensation means what?
The
Sir, I
process,
wrote down.
the process in which a
Gas turns to
gas
liquid.
hits gas hits the cold surface and changes into liquid, sir.
So basically gas to liquid.
The process of converting from gas to the liquid is called as in condensation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it
Sir,
is exactly, yeah,
Sir,
condensation is,
condensation is basically reverse of evaporation. It's
yeah, condensation is exactly opposite of evaporation.
okay, sir.
Then tell me some examples of condensation where it will happen.
Sir, normal water cycle.
Sir, when
Cycle,
when you
sir.
start evaporating water and you put a lid over the evaporating water, sir, it
Sir, the water
condensates.
droplets, sir, under it.
Sir, can I tell two examples?
Yeah.
Sir, when in the water cycle it happens, sir.
What is a water cycle?
Sir, the continuous movement of water from hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere, sir. Sorry,
Continuous movement of water from hydrosphere, atmosphere.
hydrosphere, atmosphere, and another one, sir. And lithosphere, I think,
Biosphere.
sir.
No, no.
Lithosphere.
Generally, water cycle means what? Evaporation of the water from during the hot time, from the sea water to the
Sir, the continuous movement of
Sir,
water.
can I tell one?
yeah.
Sir,
You-
how the clouds form in the sky, sir.
Yeah, how the cloud formation will be done, how the rainfall will come back. What is the main reason behind it?
Sir, fog in the air.
It's not fog in the air.
No.
Sir, and also another thing, when we boil water in one kettle, sir, the from that hole, sir, when if we put a cold lid or a lid on that and put ice on the lid, some water will drop into a glass. Sorry, and we put a glass, the water will drop. Sir,
Okay.
sir, I think.
Hello, can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I can
sir.
hear you.
Yeah. Cloud formation is done due to
Sir,
the evaporation and condensation only.
Sir, I'll be right back.
Okay, okay. But whatever the cloud formation is there, right? It is happened due to the evaporation as well as the condensation. So first, due to the evaporation, what will happen? Whatever the water is there in the seas or ponds or lake will evaporate to the atmosphere. So as we go the higher region or higher altitude in the atmosphere, the temperature will decrease. So during the temperature decrease, what will happen? All the water particles will settle at the one place and will form the clouds. Right?
Okay,
The
sir.
formation of the clouds
Sir,
will be.
I think this didn't come. Sir, I'm not understanding, sir.
Sir,
Your voice is
Ashwat's
not clear.
voice is very, yes, sir. It's very high. Buffering.
Check your internet connection, Ashwat. Okay.
Sir, I'm not understanding.
What you are not understanding?
That you told if you go to higher altitudes, the water, something, you told something, sir. Water will stay there.
Water will not stay there exactly. What I am telling is, suppose if you stand on the earth and if you stand on the hilltop, what will happen?
Hilltop will be cooler than earth,
Surface of
the
the earth,
plane.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why? As we go higher
Sir,
in the atmosphere, to
the
higher
particles will
altitudes,
decrease.
the temperature will decrease. Altitude means what? Height.
Yes, sir.
As we go higher in the altitude, the temperature will fall.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now below the water, it is having high temperature, so water will evaporate. So evaporated water will go upstairs, right? Like higher altitudes, right? There, whatever the evaporated water are, there it will condense again to form the clouds.
Okay, sir.
Once it form the bigger clouds, now they will burst and they'll come back in the form of water droplets as a rain to the surface of the earth back.
Precipitation.
Okay, that is called precipitation again. Okay, now you also write the examples for the condensation and the evaporation. Okay, you have a lot of
Sir,
homework.
homework.
Sir,
sir?
I already gave examples, sir.
Till now I have given so much of homework on this chapter, but nobody has finished it till now.
Sir, I finished, sir.
Okay, this weekend you will get the time, right? Again, we have the class on Tuesday. So Tuesday class, I'll ask everyone's homework. Okay,
Sir, which today you're giving, sir?
yeah, whatever the homework I have given from starting. First homework, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous,
Homogeneous and heterogeneous and threshing.
threshing examples, winnowing,
Threshing,
hand
all
picking,
the separating examples, sir.
hand picking. Next one is a
Sir, can you tell all of it like in last minute, sir?
okay. See all the separation technique examples. Along with that, what is a homogeneous? What is a heterogeneous example?
Sir, because that time I went early, sir. because
Okay,
of
okay.
our-
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Still anybody doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So dissolving sugar and all we'll discuss in the next class. But Ashwath, you want to present some paper, right?
Yes, sir. The question. I'll give it in the chat and also I'll screen. Sir,